So let's be real, I know why you're here. You've been seeing Deepseek all over the internet, Deepseek R1. And whenever you search for it, all these dev developers and programmers are just giving you quantum definitions and things that you don't understand, or using words that only applies to them. Don't worry, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. For people like us, the average folks that don't know anything about coding, programming, and web developing, I'm going to explain to you what Deepseek is in layman terms and how it can be useful to you and I, because there's so many things you can do with it that has nothing to do with HTML, web developing, code, CSS, and all those things. I'm here to give you clarity. Deepseek is basically a free ChatGPT alternative. So if you don't know what ChatGPT is, you need me. Subscribe, because here I explain to you what AI is and how it can help us on our productivity journey as content creators and business owners. So for those who don't know what ChatGPT is basically an AI model that can do basically anything for you as long as you ask it to. I'm telling you, it's for real. All you need to do is instruct it to do it. And these instructions you put into it are called prompts. And prompts are basically just detailed instructions on what you want the AI model to generate for you. So if you're a web developer, you can ask it to generate code. Just ask it to generate the code to create that thing, and it will help you do that. If you're a content creator, you can use it to generate business ideas, to generate tags, descriptions, thumbnail ideas. You can also generate images. So if you want the image of someone who has a big head and a tiny leg, instead of you to draw it yourself, you can ask ChatGPT to generate the image for you, and it will do that. It can also be your therapist. So if you're going through heartbreak, you can basically talk to ChatGPT and to respond to you. It depends on what you have to instruct it on the type of response you want. If you want a more firm and logical response, or if you want it to be more emotional and empathetic with you, you can ask it. I actually have a full video on how to do that here. You can also use ChatGPT to learn a new language. I use it to learn Dutch. If you're trying to learn a new language, you can just ask it to teach you or develop a plan, a strategic plan on how to learn it. And after it develops the plan, it will teach you step by step based on the plan it has created for you. So there are so many things you and I can use ChatGPT to do on a daily basis that has absolutely nothing to do with programming. But the thing now is that it's not totally free. The free option is limited, and that's where Deepseek comes in. Deepseek is totally free, and what makes it even more fascinating and why it has taken the internet by storm is because it only took $5 million to create it, while other AI models cost billions. So people are just fascinated that this company can use such a small budget to create something so good. And some tech gurus argue that Deepseek is actually better than ChatGPT when it comes to efficiency and accuracy. Now, I cannot vouch for that because, again, I'm not a tech guru. I'm here to make things easier for you and I. Like, we have to pick and choose the important information and leave the rest for the people that is important to. For now, the coding and the back-end part of this this AI model is not interesting for us, right? I would assume that. What we need to know is how this can be useful to us as content creators and business owners. Based on the explanation I just gave you on what ChatGPT is, all those things you can do with Deepseek. You can ask it to develop a business plan for you. You can ask it for business ideas that you can do with just 500 euros. It can create a plan. It can teach you how to execute it. It can be your teacher. It can also be your search engine. Instead of searching on Google, you search on Deepseek and it will give you your answers. Obviously, you have to be careful with what you're asking it for because sometimes it can be wrong. If you're not sure of what you're doing, it's best to do your proper research so that you don't make mistakes. And to start using it, you can click on the link in my description box and sign up through Google directly. Don't try to start typing your email to generate a code and all that. It will take long unnecessarily. So just sign up directly using your Google account. And another thing you need to know is that anything that is free, you're the product. So obviously, the fact that this thing is free is either making money in other ways or is getting other benefits in other ways. It could be that because it's brand new and it's trying to get clients and people to use their service or test run the service, that's why it's making it free. There are also rumors that it's collecting people's data. I didn't tell you that. I didn't tell you that. It's just rumors, okay? But to be on the safer side, before you use it, make sure you download it to your local disk to protect your privacy, okay? Now, at the back end of my YouTube studio, I saw something. YouTube basically told me that I got extra views from people outside of YouTube, which means that you people have been sharing my content and I really appreciate it. So I've been telling you all to share and you've been doing it and I really appreciate that. The fact that I got extra 13,000 views just from you guys sharing my content. I really appreciate it. Let's make quality content great again, okay? I'm teaching you, help me to help you, okay? Also, make sure you like and subscribe. If you're new to AI, you need me. I know about AI, I know these things, and I teach it in a way that you would understand it and you would understand how to use it. I'm not teaching like all those tech gurus and programmers. Most of the things they're teaching you, you don't need, because it does not apply to your profession. You don't need those things. As a business owner, I'm going to teach you how to use AI and what to use AI for. As a content creator, I have several tutorials on free AI voice generator. So sometimes if you want to create content, you don't want to use your own voice, AI can generate a voice for you using your own voice clone. Sometimes I have a tutorial on that. I have a tutorial on how to use AI to generate thumbnails, how to use AI to edit your own videos, so you don't have to even lift a finger. Just with one button, AI would edit your videos for you. AI can do so many things for you and help you to become more productive. So this is why you need my channel. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, and for other AI tutorials, click here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.